Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Sarah if you're new to my channel, and today we're going to be talking all about false lashes. I get so many questions all the time about false lashes on all of my social media. I wear false lashes almost every day. I'm kind of addicted to lashes. As you may see, I don't have any on right now because I'm going to actually give you a demo on how I apply lashes. And I do have the rest of my makeup done, so all of the details of what I used will be down below in the description bar, so make sure to check it out if you're curious on any of the products that I'm already wearing on my face. And I'm going to go into talking about lashes. We're going to talk about lashes, we're going to talk about glue, and then I'm going to do a demo so that you can see how I do it. You'll have to excuse me, I do have a little bit of a cold, so my voice might sound a little bit raspy, but let's just try to get through it together. First off, I want to talk about glue. I personally have not explored with a ton of different eyelash glue. I really have been just stuck with the duo glue. This is what it looks like. I don't know how well you can see it. There we go. This is just a tiny little bottle that I got in a pack of lashes that I had bought. I do have the full-size bottle as well, but I have so many of these laying around, I just grabbed this one. There are lashes you can buy that do come with glue included and one of the little applicators. It's just a little plastic applicator to apply them with. I personally have tried those and they don't make sense to me. I feel like it makes it harder. Maybe it'll make it easier for you. I would say try multiple different ways and see what works best for you because we're all different and our preferences are different. So my favorite way to apply lashes is personally with tweezers. I just have some generic, Beauty 360. I think I got these from CVS. I think that's their brand. They're just pointed tweezers, nothing really special about them, but they're my favorite to apply false lashes with, whether I'm applying them on myself or on other people. So Duo's the glue that I've been kind of just using for the past 2 years maybe. I have tried the Ardell glue and I did like it. It was great. I just, for whatever reason, have just kept using Duo. I haven't purchased any kind of high-end glue before. I know that a lot of people have talked about the House of Lashes glue and I think Velour maybe has some glue, but multiple different brands carry their own kind of lash glue. I just stick with this one. It works. My lashes never come off and it's cheap. It's like, I don't know, $5, $6, something like that. So I've kind of just stuck with that. If you have more sensitive eyes, they do have a glue for sensitive eyes. Anyways, just explore. Go on Google, search Duo glue, and you'll see the multiple different kinds that they carry. I typically take the lashes out of the package, and you can hold them to your eyes like this. And this is your right eye, this is your left eye. Some lashes don't have as obvious of a gradient that these do. You can see where they get short to long. There are some lashes that's a little harder to tell. So I always recommend leaving both lashes on here until, and if you need to, hold it up like this to your face so that you can remember which lash goes on which eye. I am going to just show you how I do it. We are going to take my tweezers, and I normally grab the lash on here. This is really hard to do not looking like this. So I grab the end instead of the inner corner because I always want to make sure to keep that inner corner, and sometimes if you're pulling it off you can pull some of the lashes off, and I would rather them come from the outside. So I just gently pull that off of there. I'm just going to leave this lash on here, and then I'm going to zoom in a little closer. I'll hold that there so you see. So I take the lash like this and hold it. And then if you are using the same glue container that I am, that's the little squeezy tube, I would recommend squeezing some of the glue on a palette before you actually apply it, because if you go straight in, which I'm about to do, I'm going to take it and just go like this and put the glue on. But if you're not experienced, you might squeeze glue all over the lash, and then it's really hard to make the lash look normal again. So I'm not going to squeeze it onto a palette because I do it all the time and I'm just familiar with the feeling of it. As well as this tube doesn't have a ton left in it, so I'm not really worried about it getting all over the lash. It does happen every once in a while. I'm definitely not perfect, but I don't even know the best way to show you guys this. I don't really know if you can see it, but I'm just gonna take the and just go all the way across the lash. Just make sure that there's not too much. So I don't know how well you can tell, but that's the amount of glue that I put on it. Then I typically wait maybe 30 seconds. If you're having trouble with the lash glue, guys. If you're having trouble with the lash glue sticking and you feel like it's sliding all around your eye and it's driving you crazy, you can wait a minute. Sometimes I'll take the stopwatch on my phone and wait a minute before I put it on. That way it's a little more sticky. Now mind you, if you do wait, it is gonna be obviously more sticky. So it is gonna stick where you put it, but you still have a little bit of time to kind of play around with it. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and apply this lash. I'm gonna get really close. And I'm going to, if you hold the mirror down, so I have a little mirror in my hand, hold the mirror down and kind of look down. It'll help you see where you want to apply them. If you're just starting out, applying them without eyeliner is a little bit easier because you'll be able to really see your lash line. I do this all the time, so I do have eyeliner on. I thought about it after I put it on. I was like, oh, it might have been easier for them to see if I didn't put eyeliner on, but too late. So I'm just gonna go like this, and I place them right in the center first, and then I take the end and grab it and move it right up to my lash line, and then I take the inner corner and press it right against my lash line in the inner corner. So just like that, and then I just kind of adjust and pull them around so they're where I want them to be. So now, be really careful when you're doing this because you are working with tweezers near your eyes, and your eyes are important. So be gentle and be patient, and if you get distracted easily and you feel like you're gonna poke your eye out, just do it in a quiet room. So I am gonna take the tweezers and I'm going to pinch my lashes to the fake lashes. Just to make sure that they're combined together. I'll close and look and make sure that they're close enough to my lash line. A lot of times I'll take two at the tip of the lashes and just kind of push it towards my eyelid. If you get the glue and get it stuck, you can just take your tweezers and just kind of separate where a lot of lashes tend to like kind of connect at the end when the glue gets on them. And that's it. You just let it dry. I'll try to get a little bit closer. You can see that little bit of white glue there. That will dry, and if any of it doesn't completely dry, I just take a little bit of eyeliner over top of it. Also, it might be good if you're learning to keep some Q-tips around, because if you get the glue underneath or in your eye, that's a way you can easily kind of wipe the glue out. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the other side and insert some music while I put it on. That way you can watch me do it one more time. Now I am waiting for the glue to dry. It's a little bit wet. You can kind of see the glue over there pretty much dried. Now I gotta wait for this one to dry. I do have my eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I'm obsessed. I can't tell you how many of these I've bought over the years because it's that amazing. So you can see. It's a really pretty style. I don't know how well you can tell, but you see how the band is covered and it's right up against my lashes. So that is the final product. I hope that makes it a little easier for you guys to apply lashes. If you have any other questions or need any other tips or whatever, please make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I love lashes. I'm obsessed with lashes. Lately, I've been actually wearing lash extensions. One of my amazing friends does lash extensions and she's been practicing on me. And it's been so nice because lash extensions are great. You just wake up in the morning, do the rest of your makeup, and your lashes are already ready to go. It makes it a million times faster. But lashes are something that I wear when I don't have lash extensions, and lash extensions are not something that's accessible or available to everybody. So false lashes are definitely accessible to pretty much anyone, and you can do them. Oh, one other thing I wanted to say too, if your eyes are watering while you're putting your lashes on, the glue does not stick. So I have an issue with this eye over here. For whatever reason, it will water like crazy. I want to stick. And typically the glue that I put on there already, like, it stays and it gets tacky. So whenever my eye does stop watering, I can actually just push it down and it'll hold and it'll stick. So if that happens to you, as long as there was glue on there when you put it on, which of course you're going to put glue on it. So as long as there is glue on it, it will eventually dry and stick. At least in my experience, that's what's happened with me. So I hope this was helpful and I hope you guys liked it. Please make sure to subscribe, comment, go check out my social media, go check out my website, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!